Which animal is this? Tiger! Only a true animal lover will be able to name these 10 animals by images.
Let's go. Easy level.
Elephant! Next one. Deer! Like if you got all correct so far, medium level. Fox! Fifth one. Wolf! Sixth one. Rhinoceros. Subscribe if you also like animals just like me. Hard level. Black Panther. Next one. Komodo dragon. What about this one? Bison. Your score and the name of your favorite animal. Tell me in the comments. Last expert level. Answer in the comments.